morning, everyone. It is about 8 in the morning, and my dad is going to be here to pick me up in like an hour, maybe less than an hour. I need to get groceries before the snowstorm hits, and my car has been making a weird noise, so they just want to make sure it's all good before I drive it again. So he's coming to help me get it before the storm starts. I actually don't know what time the storm is hitting. I think early. So I really gotta get ready fast. I'm gonna go do this fast. But yeah, I thought I would let you guys come along with me today for the snowstorm. Okay, it's 9 o'clock and my dad is gonna be here literally any minute. So I'm gonna go ahead and head outside. Okay, it was a madhouse in there, so I didn't get much footage, but I am gonna give you guys a haul. But first, I wanna show you my favorite part of getting home. Release the hounds. Hi, Bubba. Okay, so grocery haul sponsored by my parents because they're paying for my groceries right now until I start making some more money. We have enough coffee pods to hopefully last me a couple weeks. We have some Tyson grilled chicken and some Tyson chicken strips. We have a box of White Castle hamburgers, a bag of shredded cheese, some trash bags, and some vacuum bags because I am almost out of both. A package of tortillas, a package of the V8 energy drinks I like, and 2 Alani's as a treat. I haven't had any Alani energy drinks in a couple of weeks now. Some milk, some vanilla Chobani creamer, and 2 of these chicken fried steak TV dinners. Okay, it is a little bit later. I had a snack and a cup of coffee, and I made a TikTok and posted that. And I took a look outside and I just see like little tiny snow flurries. Like, I will show you guys that outside, but I don't think you're gonna be able to see anything. morning, everyone. I'm hoping you can tell that I literally just woke up. So I didn't finish the video last night for a couple reasons. First of all, I just got really sleepy all of a sudden and went to bed, low-key. But second of all, oh, my cat is trying to break into the closet again. Second of all, I wanted to wait until the morning when it was light to show you guys how much snow we got yesterday. And this is the results. And we're not supposed to get any more snow after this, like for this storm. So this is all. And it's honestly not too bad. But yeah, I toyed around with the idea of taking you guys along with me today too, to make the video a little longer, because I'm honestly not sure how much footage I got, and I think it might be like a really short vlog. But then I thought, no, because I'm basically just gonna be working all day, and that's not gonna be the most exciting content in the world for you guys to watch. And also I have decided that I'm gonna try to start posting a little more frequently. So I shied away from saying I was gonna do more than one video a week, just because my productivity with all the other side hustles I'm trying to do, and the YouTube and how long it takes me to film and edit, I was like, I don't know, that might be a little bit too ambitious. But it is crunch time, you guys, and if I don't get to the point where YouTube is monetizable pretty soon, my finances are just not they're just not looking the best right now. The more that I've made content on here, the more I realize that I really enjoy doing it, and this is something that I could see myself doing and enjoying for a really long time. So all that to say, I want to bump up how much content I'm making, and I'm thinking I might start posting once every 4 to 5 days. And if I start posting once every 4 to 5 days, not only am I gonna have to diversify my content a little bit, and I do have some ideas for that I'm pretty excited about, but I'm also going to need to start being less of a perfectionist about the videos that I put out. And even if I'm like, no, that vlog is boring, no one's gonna watch that, I'm just gonna put it up. And if you guys wanna watch it, you will, and if you don't, you won't. But at the very least, then I'm still documenting my life like I said I was going to do when I started this channel. So that was sort of like an update, I think, on where this channel is going. I'm gonna film an about me soon, like an updated about me, because the last one I filmed was a while ago and I feel like it needs a little update. So look out for that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog, and subscribe if you did. And I love you. Subscriber count is 80, I think, right now. So I love all 80 of you guys. I can't finish the heart because I'm holding my phone. But yeah, I will see you in the next one.